Barb is an accomplished immersion storyteller and change maker. It's no surprise that she was appointed the Anishinaabemowin-Teg Language Commissioner by the Anishinaabeg Nation in 2020. For these two, I have to speak from the heart. Most mornings, I spend with Barb Nolan, and I also spend with Ali. At first, I couldn't understand very much. And I had a bit of a monkey mind, jumping all over the place. I couldn't catch it. But I was told if I sit and I listen, something's going to happen. And it did. I couldn't believe it. I listened for 10 minutes. I could stick with it. I listened for 15, and then a half an hour. And then I started to repeat listening. And then I started to really actually hear individual words. And then I started to understand the words. And then I could even write them down, and I could look them up in the dictionary, and I could actually find them. That was a game changer for a learner out in a language desert. So it was pretty amazing. Every morning I also spend with Ali, because she's a learner. And I watch her. And she learns, she's determined. And she creates this really nice vibe in the classroom around trying, around taking risks, about being brave and speaking. So I have great gratitude to Barb Nolan, because you float my boat every morning and you don't even know it. And I have great gratitude to Ali, because I want to be like her. So with that said, I'm wondering, I would love for us all to show our gratitude for the work, for the language, for the community, for the people, and for the ones who are coming. Let's show them our gratitude. Miigwech.
Ali Bojo Kanoya, Tugashki Bajai, Monty, Ali Darnay Indigenous, Kitingan Zibi, Gandalgos, Wajishan Dorem, Nishnabe Koyagao, Kwaja Nishnabem, and Zibiga, Zinaga, good question, Nishnabem. Anishinaabemowin-Teg Zikadang, Anishinaabeg Nation, Ndonjamaki. So, good day to everybody. I'm really happy that you've come here. As mentioned by Maureen, my name is Ali Darnay. I come from Red River First Nation, reside primarily in Niagara Falls, Martin Plan. I am a Anishinaabemowin learner. It seems to be that way most of my life these days, trying to learn the language, keep working at it, keep trying at it, connecting where we can. Different opportunities. As I mentioned there, I'm the Anishinaabemowin manager for the Anishinaabeg Nation, also known as the Union of Ontario Indians. I work very closely with Barb Nolan because she is the Anishinaabemowin-Teg, so our language commissioner. Goes around doing the very important work of promoting Anishinaabemowin, encouraging our communities to engage in reclamation, revitalization, preservation, and really, doing amazing work to support language for our nation, for our communities, and for our children. Really happy to see, one of her young fans here. My girls, I have 3 children as well, and they're all big fans of Barb Nolan because they watch the videos and they get very excited when I'm traveling because they want to know if I'm going to see Barb Nolan. And I'm like, yes. And they're like, can we come? And I'm like, maybe. So we are very grateful, to have this opportunity to share with you. And really, I'm just here to support Barb, and I'm going to pass it over to her and let her do the things that she does. Miigwech.
Bonjour. Ani. Kishpen nigrad non chwibin matbek nigrad gdabin matbek. Atin don chendapabuin men niga. Sam ishpen odiai knama kanba mage knama gai kadebom musi Lamoas Sabada, Niganders Bishop in Matbiak, Ushmedan is shit.
Just a second of my story is going to be on. Sure.
I started teaching, or not teaching, I started passing my language, passing it on back in 2003 after I retired from Sault College as counselor. Language was pulling me, so I quit college. And another college nabbed me, and so they wanted me to return to class. It was a teaching class. They learned about plurals and singulars, inanimate and inanimate. And but in immersion, you don't do that. You don't teach them anything like that. So, and I thought, what am I going to do? I didn't know how to do it until I found a storybook at the dentist's office. It was a storybook. And it says, Albert and his old brown shoes. So I read that and I thought, geez, I could use this in my class because I'm supposed to speak all in the language. I didn't know anything up until then, although I was given the book, language acquisition in the classroom, second language acquisition in the classroom. If you have a chance to look it up in the computer and download it, you'll get lots of tips on there. So I read that story, and I had learned that I'm supposed to, if you take real things and show the students, like, okay, he grabbed the ball, you must have a ball there. You know it's beton flock with, okay? But today I couldn't come with a whole pile of stuff. I've been driving back and forth at home. But I got here, so I'm going to draw a few things. I'm going to act them out, okay? And you just follow along with the story. Your job as a learner in an immersion setting is to watch and listen, okay? And don't dwell on the words. Like if you hear makwa, oh, that's bear. I know that word. I know makwa, you know, because I've gone along 20 words ahead. You missed all that. So don't dwell on one word, okay? Just keep on listening. You know, well, you knew you heard that, that's okay. You watch what I do, and listen, and guess. You're the guesser. I think she's doing this, or I think she's talking to that guy, or whatever I'm doing. Okay, that's your job as an acquirer of the language. So I don't teach any concept. I don't teach any language rules. Okay, I just speak the language. So one time somebody asked me, Barbara, do you know this? And they had a terminology that I knew it was a linguistic terminology. And I said, no, I don't. I don't know a thing about it. I said, I only know how to speak the language. And sometimes you have to accept that. Okay, so language is beautiful. It has attracted young people. And I've had this idea of producing videos for children years ago, because there's nothing there for kids. They always watch TV, they watch it in Spanish. They're picking up the Spanish language, right? And then the parents are saying, "Oh, my little girl is learning Spanish." I said, "Oh, where?" I said, "On TV." And then the more I thought, geez, why can't somebody do it in the language? You know, so I got hold of Esbekan. He's around here. Esbekan, his name is from Quejoinam. And he video records. We don't have like a top of our state-of-the-art place where we record. He records like this. Just something like that. It's no fancy recorder. It's just his phone. And then he can fix the maybe I coughed somewhere and he can take that out. He can do all that on his phone, or probably hooks it up to the computer to do that work. And then he has somebody that he works with in the States that is called an animator. So he's the one that changes, like the set where we work is like there's a green screen, like a green sheet hanging there. And that's, I said, I'm going to be talking to you and I'm going to be talking to these little kids here. Okay? He says, okay, I'm okay with it. So every introduction is almost the same. And I think kids are, they know that. If you turn the TV on and then one of my videos turn, they all say, when they hear that, oh, they go running, They want to watch TV with me on it. So I try and keep it going the same way, just at the introduction. And here's me sliding into the class. Anyway, so we started making the videos, and last August we had a video, what did we call it, Colleen? Opening? Review, preview, or whatever. Video launch, where we invited the community and some people that were involved, you know, and video launch, and we launched the first 10 videos on that day. And then we've launched 10 more videos, and there's 10 new ones coming. So I'm going to keep working as long as I am capable. I know my arms are starting to get, I don't know what's wrong, but I don't lift anything or move too much, but I think it's called old age-itis. My legs are okay, my feet are okay, I can still move, so I'll be okay for quite a few years. Yeah, hopefully. Anyway, so what I found in that, what do you call that? The doctor's office. I found that book, and I thought, I'm going to try this out tonight. So I did. I told the story all in the language. I drew, I took a blanket, I took a box, I took a soccer ball, and anything that I needed. And I told the whole story from beginning to end. At the end of that, then they go outside and have their puff or smoke break. It's a break time. And then, when I can hear them, oh my God, I understood that story. You know, I understood the story. Everything that happened in the story, I don't understand the words. You know, and that's what happens when you're a language acquirer, when you're acquiring a second language. You're not going to understand the words when you hear somebody talking. You don't understand, but you're going to understand the story, okay? I have some stories on barbnolan.com. I have a website, and there's stories in there. Okay, you can follow along. Yeah, she's talking about, oh, it looks like a bear. Looks like that bear used to have long tail. You know, just go along and you guess to yourself what's happening and follow along with that story. And that's how language acquisition happens. You're looking at it, goes in, okay, and then after a while, you begin to understand. Okay, kids, did it for you guys. Yeah, so me and SBK now work together. I go there. I think the next time around we're gonna, maybe he'll come to Garden River. I'm not sure what we're gonna do the next. Anyway, so I have, so I found out that storytelling was a darn good way to pass on the language. Storytelling. And Anishinaabe people, they're good storytellers. You always hear them over there in that corner and they're all laughing away, so they must be telling funny stories. Hey, you hear that? Anyway, so I found the book. Most Meat and Wild Rice in Kaya. Basil Johnston. Basil is from Cape Croker. What's the Anishinaabe word for it? And I knew Basil from a long time ago, and he used to come to these conferences, you know. And he was an eloquent speaker. He was an eloquent English speaker and an eloquent Anishinaabemowin speaker. And the same goes for his writing. I could never write like Basil. He's a very eloquent writer and an eloquent speaker. Okay, so you read these stories, you can almost picture the story happening. So I used it, and I told him one time, probably maybe one of the last times that he attended here. I said, I'm going to use your stories, I'm going to turn them into I'm not writing them in Anishinaabemowin. I'm going to tell the story in Anishinaabemowin. He says, that's good. He says, you do that. And I'd like to say his son is here today. His son is here, and I'm so glad, because I'm so honored to be telling these stories. And people ask me, did that really happen? I said, I don't know. Basil wrote it, you know. So I turn to these stories. I watch Netflix. What's that little book about that big? It's a little book, and it has it has these little wee short stories. Laughter, the best medicine.
Reader's Digest.
Yeah, Reader's Digest. Laughter, the best medicine. And those little stories maybe might be 3 sentences. What I do is, if it's a good little thing, I'll stretch that. Oh, as long as I stretch it to half an hour, that's my class, you know? Yeah, so I do anything to tell a story in class. Somebody asked me one time, don't you ever run out of stories? I said, no. I said, I've lived a long life. There's lots of stories in my life. So I use my own, but I don't say Barbara over here. I call that lady a different name, or that girl that got into trouble. Okay, I give them a different name. So I do all that. Anyway, I tell sad stories, happy stories, funny stories, okay, any kind of story. And one day, the students are coming in, getting ready for class, eh? And I always have a box of Kleenex over there, and then Skipper Jones, he comes walking in. Oh, he says, is it Kleenex time, Barb? He goes, he thinks it's going to be a sad story. You want to be ready. Okay, so yesterday I didn't read the story. I told the story in my own words, but it's the story that was written in here. And it said, that story was about, Pinik Idik Gazavadashwat. That was the name of the story. Pinik Idik Gazavadashwat, which translates to, the potatoes must have fell out. So in this story, in Basil's book, it's in the second part, part 2. The potatoes must have fell out. Okay, that was a really silly story. But today, nam what is me no, basic me no need but tag batch more. Na there's man paid about need batch ma. De moyes. Op je go eat cose o de moyes. Geral ze mosse. De moyes. Man Peter smaba gita, we go messing. Man pi we go mess gitene. Mission the mabagata, okmes for angajin kana, okmes giawe. Gochin das panegin madbe. Gochin. Что de gochin? Ni das mandat pavoen giawen. Rushu se pavoen. Mageji chi se pavoen. Eka. Chi se pavoen gi temperature. Mandagi shenawat. Because you know morning back up. Whoops. Yeah. Chichi box set pavwin mandagi hour. Chichi box set mavajanda. Mishra madagashi nawak mava. Under the pavwin. Chichi box set pavwin gi hour. Optish mava kogi shigendan. Pågen ska swana. Man det skischen anse och pågen. Nej, man nickar. Man då nickar i cheese och pågen. Mi baba nen kanela ska swana. Då gin med det bet chicken shop. Ik zeg goed in madbe. Ska swaga nen pågnen. Man det cheese ninchen. Apče kuma gisaga ne. En sak chef gisaga swana nen pågnen. Och English. Binde gode. Mavam de Moses. Anishinaabemowin pågna, apishnandu pågen. Den ege, og du ikke bedre noe ikke bedon. Du chinge sjøl av jeg pågen. Jeg vil be så godt i navn ingen noen ikke bedre. Da jeg kubna noe den en pågen. Abik skar på nedig. Kappo skar i og pågen. Jo, nendamsa. Awe ya pågen dosi. Iso diyon madbe dote. Kuching. Mana denda. Awe ya pågen. Apchigem ne på. Apchigo wizra swa. Hadishko ya pågen dosi. Vajen ni seman. Eu acho que na casa do Sema é gunemet. We gune posse. Gawin we gune posse. Nada mundo mampisa garo. E cheguei o manach pugse. Kai nem ipshen masin mava. Tá. Abde ki dik daigam go singeja nendam dash. Wasa shudet te daigam gos. A moça, que na má, good buggy swat, Anchiga de se we shato de. Paul, skip pognen mjogishna. Aha, nam de vishkushe. Eka. Misri de wo mat ko je pitas ma sene tote. Ah, niš. Niš, od de pitas ma seo. Škinik šensak. Bežik mava škinik šens. Gašinje. Gašinje go noč mava škinik šens. Výkonně mám úplně výskar. Mi nádeš Víčky in máva, už meš ví máva gnoze, čekškenígeš máva noč. Máva tež genozit, šit kaza ropas. Máva tež vanče kanajde máva gažen kaza, míšen gažen kana, míšen. Máva tež ropas. Pidas ma se opta šode vandak. Nenda máva. Máva tež míšen, mi máva okames ošén. Ošén, nanda. Máva tež nanda víčky. Máva tež nandan okamesan apčego zágad. Daha, eškam go beša. Mappi bet gošnok. Madve tež okmes. Čiči bakse. Čiči bakse. Ja, nandan ninjin. Tebe ninji se. Nikya. Apčeš hok čenendam. Wap matnen ošen. Pidas ma seok shanda vandak. Pidas ma seok. Midesh mava mishen. Wap mat okmesan mi oshme. Eshkam kubesha. Okmes denan mi se okmesan i. Ma pige ki yon madben. Saga okmes. Keda sak chigun saga. Mi ažiat vandak. Mi samava okmenski gwech matne no shen. Mi shen. Kedoma. Mi shen. Du pognem gibikshka. Du pognem gibikshka. Kedoma. Shke pognem abdek nyogishna na taiga mo. Keda. Tugog da isham. Kid minor ropas. Dina. Enda shava krasa. Misagi nani but mava. Gibi indgeote. Endat. Jonias inad. Jonias. Ibe zavdita mina. Jonias shkimin rasa mava. Mava ja, mishe. Jonias. Nanen jomanke. Nangza mava. Mede shrigamina ne nanen joman ken gimin rasa mava mishen. Minodesh antke nish jomanke. Mandadesh nish jomanke mi esis bakdons. Andani dabkan big bedek. Big bitchgat degesh na kadek. Big bitchgat. Dabkan big bitchgat. Mesnam sotke. Mismabaginen mornen. Angwamnan mande shonyastila. Ke onguche midam nakkewa. Kajamode web kabebskav. Aha, nok mispama. Misa bunda guishen shagidma chat eshini shot. Apchugnaktchen move time moving with the shout. We not nen pogna. Skip pogna men wesnen nen okmessa. Mi so digi det var snart ode. Det var snart ode. Där kan gå. Det är big mandat. ki tempat we daigame. Daigame mo so de tempat. Mi še nončko na jego kišna čakate. Menogame mičem, koježega, nončko jego tam demote, tu dušavo, dajga mos. Mi je to onda gaža. Mi še te pira bildigat, dajga mosing. Nani je bilo dajnene. Mi še onda vode gižat, dajnene. Dajnene odegija. Mi še onda vode viženšak. Ide dvošnat, dajga mosing. A sad idem sapna nama da škvande. Ding, ding, ding. Ne, betre. Ani, den annen. Ani. Mi da šmaba Michel ena tajneno. Manda nanen žumante. Oren ni išna na noka mes. Do mannen foran. Visste given magaza. Ni već. Ning de šmava gisse gaza. Škimnesing. Evo škimnes nazi. Beka. Ajvi wanda gish naksu. Mi vaksin škimnes. Mi gaven in magaza. Gisse gaza to foran. Skipforan. Ni već. Mi da šmino onda viženša, kidin magerat, niže žuman kemilua. Nanen žuman ke, ni maga. Ni nadaš niže žuman ke. Sis vaknase, niš. Ke čuo javi. Bežik nin. Mi naš bežik ničke. Mi već. Mi smo beginde mačat viženšak. Manda da škimnes. Maba mi šen manda bemetkona. Maba da škej ropas, ušmego maba ropas knoze. Mačan ropas. Ušme maba ropas knoze. Piš mi Michel tkuze. Maba daš manda genoamda. Mi daš maba ropas ekdat. Nengat konan kita. Mi je odesnin džinat uidakna manda. Kai, kita maba Michel, Kai. Nee, no, kames, Kai gin. Mi daš maba ropas ekdat. Ni na ušmek čigui sensdao kita. Ga angwam nan kita maba. Ka, nin manda nimmem jiru. Ashnan ma jao, das nem masel. Kabak pi. Da. Uitam no kondak, manda mi kanene namok. Uitam no das kondak. Sta. Nishke wede jidmo. Maba das gibin daganar. Maba ropa skibin daganar ni. Is nu kadek manda uyen daidmak. Skojvočgas. Mi šmabam sini sode gidapnat. Mi da šegi tot. Mi da šode uik da konat nen čitmun. Koja vyžebna. Ai mi quasi. Ma perché čitmun hit ma čipto. Ai, kjo masi, etena. Da, mi spunem adeseu, apciș cum ava, păs minge gânan manda. Mi gumino vedved. Mi in manda gâmge gânan. Ai! Ai! Nin nu pes manda ti vendan junda bande. Bel mase. Nem adeseu, șco vanda cum api. Mi de șode ni mi novi mi gatuk. Vanda. Mi mava mi no manda. Nu știu. Mi se gimbe șopăcade, nu știu mai. Gimbe șopăcade. Hinundan vore op quese. Nu știu mai. Kiivaris, nu știu mai. Mama mi gata, nu știu mai. Nu știu. Nu kmes, ai pornen till Josin. Nu știu mai man. I stod av i nadet sjö. Te var hipqueskava. Staven sitrego. Men det små väget att kin kise tjego den anne. Din den att små var mischen tjego. Men det små väget att gikendat. Det var Kikandan nagego is na kadek montage chicken. Kai gikensin montage chicken. Jibiga de zinegening. Chitwam zinegening. Jibiga de. Pomoże ja. Mi też ma Europas, to bacz matoananda. Ni też ma Europas, to batan. Kcie tuam zinegening. Kcie tuam zinegen. Kcie tuam zinegening ja. Jibigade. To bacz wena. Montage çıge tuya. Ja. Peka. Grzemny to nasze to ja. No, on te kadma koje grzemny to. Była kojerewa. Beno zyga. Grzemny to. Auja grzemny to. Amaba. Mande. Da. Widzisz, mama, ropas, te bacz, manne. Miś mama ropas, ektat, kiken man, a grzemny to. Rzeżas, gnieżyn, kasał, kiedy mama. Mondaże czge. Oni najtyk, kiedy mama ja bieg, nasza, misze. Hava nagana bacz, kiki jedno Ka, kiedy tego, kiedy szmaba. Nigen buding mama, że na przetłany, ne, kiże czge. Nigen, nie bna bematce, że kimon czytyok. Nie bna dżig. Mi też nie dosyło micze. Mi kład tego nanen gigoin jod. Mi non sue pojrzgat. Non deseo gajego miczem. Mi sige maba gi bedroszem. Mi maba gi namat. Apçık okçına. Niye mani geçecek? Niye remi için ibna gibi tebra? Apçıkın ibna gibi koy. Koyşkanın ga. Daha mis nakkena ve yagi yan o miçin. Mi gena şerdi. Mi düşmaba bu mişene natnen. Ani unaydik. Hayda şerpsi no ve. Kıdamaba. Kıdamaba ben şöyle battık o. Mandat ne? Mandat ne? Ay mandat ne? Mandat ne? Mandat şirket. Mandat şirket iyi avı var. Şabı gitti. Hoş geldin, win motion. Hoş geldin, şbiga dekşe çıtram sinegne. Misumava ni. Oh, kedamava. Godin ki apçıgi battirok mino be matsıcıge açık. Ni deşke ni boykamagat. Tam tam tadam. Ni boykamagat. Допойна не иже счаде но ни бена. Шангеок да шви виснеок. Миташке езигна мот жомнабо. Ken maakt na jomnabo. Inundeseo, vajgabege go jomnabo. Hoş nagejičken, kdo ge gondga ni bočkeje, goneš nagejičken, vajgabege go jomnabo. Iške ma vekatat. Mavia ropas. Taha. Manda ežitçigetne sıkıntı mana dediğin. Mitüşgenane takibi binget mavuşemne do. Miyavi gibi koyet. Anishinaabemowin namba dediğin. Togo mavada şigita. Togo sende. Togo. To надо можно. Ты не мама. Ni şunna bu inundeseme. Misuminoava mandane ne immenamat. Çenama ya. Akçıvok çenama. Ne mandu minajı çıge. Regeşna temgak şunna bu. Ni şunna bu immet temgak. Допойне. Таха, мислви нома тречге, нанани мок мин пуел. Емацече. Мидеш маба ми шене над минонен. Они гнайтек. Ти нания. Дево е си, та шрепси нове. Кетеге. Я бе бежик да чуин моше. Я бе бежик да моен да чуин моше. Ми сега мава на ропас. Mina sinegan nimne baki gino. Gib mandaşki kaç ne sinegan ben bindavin anlı. Mis mina gib met başma totnan den na mişe. Oe, kete gema ba. Beşik yabe tabac muente. Manda tabac muen. Yin bo oya. Yin bo. Abe ka. Gayi. Ok. Bekanze diye şnabe makuci şın mampi. Mampiyen şikişin oya. Van bug bene digo. Pan Bog bane. Niš teškeže koje okjavk. Niš. K čemu je oke? Tjevo k čemu je oke? Mi se je žemne dogi bibindige. Normal je malo. Kero je vada koje ok čemu je oke? I da bomava ničkena. Kena nad mušena. İyi mavaşım da gibi şat. Niye mava gibi numarçe? Kçı numaya. Babçıge bu kçı numar. Die schema die Geschichte. Was ist Queen? Den Angenen Angel. Da. Miguel Baba schon das Scheng. An Bobane. Miguel Baba gibt mir bitte Kaffee dabei. Gib mir bitte Kaffee dabei, Baba. Meu, in Machi war das. Ab zu genau von der Quälchen in der Mog. Wie das Schema der Mabana, Michel, Minoropus. Wie sie aber Michel hat ne Nigo nein, der Sommer schreibt den an nicht schade geht. Weil da schreibst du no, Geht dir aber. Как киномон in Deutsch, geht dir aber. Как киномon, можешь gehen. Мисген им die Schашke im Tona. Kompig wurde die Mopingen Schashke die Tona. Mit der Schgen da geht dort im Schimmer. Geching, Schimmer geht Tona. Mit der Schema Mission Kiwin Magasat. We chinat that. Mampini king. Because Kaviananda Naswa. Mavi Jerish. Mi Maba Michelle. Maba das Gero, was so Stunde gehen, aber ja. Banengsche. Wie oder Maba Ching na Tausch Kontakt. Ching na Tauke. Kasi naman Ching na Tausch. Ich bin nur ja, wir benaden heute. Kasi naman ist nach so hat Kontakt. Ching na Tausch Maba. Minoma Maba beže. Mam pideš tebe ga tveniga, že tot, ne meskanes. Mideš runda bunda gjat. Mideš Maba ropas. Mi je Maba enigansit. Nahal, det nam je enigansit. Undan gjat. Mishe. Gegwa duskapke. Gazenge. Ay kabenapsi. Kapesang wap. Je Maba je gazat. Miše gaževa. Maba ropas, minadeš Maba ja. Dinne, naha, Miše. Mideš je Maba na denenat. Kego napke. Kego tu skapke. Kapesang wap. Kapesang wap. Kana mameć. Da mi se Maba gimme namat. Ani gab de kaşıçı. Mi se gimme namat. Yici brat kon getta. Odeš na kazu ne sme ne že. Činčko gimo zaman. Zamgove švane uližen že, zamgove. Mi da še Maba gimme mači namat. No mat mi no denen. To mi je Maba uližen že. Tu skabe. Nabe. Da mi też jego pinasa. Jego iszwe baksze. I mekczynam kika. Manczkona edi. Bigwe mgatgego. Maba gegi begeshen. Maba. Kashka begole i megokwe jise. Kaigi kenzin gajebedene. Mi da še gmakpi Maba, kikške to nui beneset. Navet je, det to skavet, a ja voje na musak, a ja neki kasno, to ne ne. O, to lekčem skvičane. To žgrajde znovu se gwe. Mi no Maba gavoja. A ja si, videk, Missä mä uisin se skimme matteemat. Pistä loppas. Mä voin känna tuiti kavenanat. Nentäkää. Mä voin känna tuiti nentäkää kavenanat viisessan. Kantinaan igen, raaptien mä voin känna Чем скричаneja. Missä itiginen noche dotum skemat. Tot niinse. Ne skadingette. Inen noche bedon jem skimnes. Chemwa. Jock chemwa. Nokemes. Niema wordt die bezaaid. To! Misze! Oniszka szybciej widzisz! Oniszku naprzemy szkeg biskwicia, nie ma czan! Mi też nie ma wody. Okmessa nuommat. Manda! Amma vak puolet, ibikska, ketingen ibikska puolet. Mitäs jämava demose i tapnakne. I tapnanskemot. Eweonen geldan bekanset mugishlana. Matal, mishengi bin ganakne. Jugsir jane anap tnap muchgrade shnavs in regulations. Mitäs ite kanat. Ashogmek odeshan. Ashogmek. Ashogmek shan. Ashogmek shan. Jaude wettanige. Wettanige ok. Skobim ne konsak. Kedege mak. Quando conosco che ti mossa. Scusok. Skobim ne konsak. Nash peshek. Ki kendan shkumava Michel. On shinabje kasat nen skobim ne konsak. Kedege. Mi sidi gode. Kio kebnat beshek nen te konsak. Valla nokmes. İşte gelin muhatne nokmes. Mitäs kiviin maaset. Vi går nat nen te konsak ode skandeming besha. Mi jeva shrepkeva. When I read the story once or twice, and then I tell the story from what I remember from what I read, and change it a little bit here and there. So that's what I did with that story. Did you all enjoy that story? I thank my And we went to everybody that played a part, and I just grabbed somebody and both us over here, and he was really going to fight me. The only thing I knew is he was taller than me. Okay, so, and that makes it more interesting to get the group involved to hear the story. They don't have to know what it's all about. I don't think you knew the story beforehand, did you? Pete? Pete? Yeah, you're going to know now. You're going to buy those books over there and you're going to read that book. Yeah, I have the original book. This is the original book. Moose meat and wild rice. And he had them reproduced, and that's the new version. But the stories are the same. He didn't change it, so.
Do they have any more over there?
Huh?
Yeah,
Do you have any more?
I have lots more. I saw my I saw
Still
all
has-
these books there.
So if you read those stories, and if you're an immersion instructor,
Just where all the books are, all the sellers are over here.
okay.
You'll see me where the vendors are. Yeah.
okay. And I'm so happy, I didn't see him here last year.
My
And,
first time.
but this, yeah, I am so happy to have met him, especially that's Basil's son. I wonder if he writes hilarious stories like his dad.
I've told some of the stories.
Yeah.
That I think like my own stories. Sometimes I'm a teacher too.
Oh,
And then we act them out too.
Yeah.
So I do what you were saying, you bring the
Yeah.
children to get involved,
yeah,
and they just love that.
yeah.
The English.
So, any questions? Will you go we went where? What? Pågen. I płeszkali nami no szkipłoget kanaczkas. Bama pin logiczna nabe, że gikeda. To nie mój zik na rich digi depna. Anybody else? Any more questions? Comments? I don't want to walk away with this. Type in this. Okay, I guess we're done and you can go early. I'll let you go early. Such a good audience. Big watch.
I loved it. I don't understand the language as much as a lot of people in this room do, but it's super engaging. I mean, there's little words that you can kind of like pick up on, but yeah, it was great.
It was really good. It's good learning. I just am grateful anytime I get to listen to Anishinaabemowin, and I listen to Barb Nolan stories all the time. And there's one about how the beaver got his tail I've listened to like 20 times, but I find I often try to figure out all the words that she's saying. And so when she started and told us like just don't try to figure out the words, just listen, it was helpful. It helped me like understand the whole story a lot better than when I'm just, because like she said, I'm like, oh, I know that word, but then she's already 2 sentences ahead and then I don't know what she just said.
I think what it took most away was just listening, but kind of trying to connect her actions to what it is that she's saying. So I was focusing more on what she's doing with her body, and then just kind of like subconsciously taking in her words and hoping that my brain will make that connection. So I took her advice. I didn't focus on the words and just listened and watched what she was doing.
I loved it. I think that it's such an inspiration that she can share these stories and tell us about her experience. I didn't really understand a lot of it either because I'm just learning Anishinaabemowin, but I could understand like the story that she was relaying, right? And it was really cool, and I think it really helped my learning too, because I bits and pieces, bungie, just a little bit. I just got some, so it was really cool.
Through hand movement and facial expressions, it was easy to follow along, and it was perfect. It was sometimes the language follows actions, or it's a combination. So it's an excellent workshop.
I loved it. I love the idea of telling a story that because it's an easier way for me to learn, because everybody's different, learns different ways. For me, that's more my style of learning. I've much more be able to pick it up that way. I've been trying to learn the language for years, so I think that's an incredible way to learn it. I can't wait to get on her little YouTube channels and things like that.